Beach Day by Roosa, illustrated by Maggie Smith, published by Clarion Books, New York. Waves roar, rush and soar, rolling, crashing to the shore. Sparkling spray, jeweled array, water skiers on their way. Sandy knees, foaming seas, insects dancing in the breeze. Noon light shimmers bright. In the distance hot and white. Bat, ball, mitt, it's a hit. Leaping, running, lickety-split. Voices chatter, sand pails clatter. Off to lunch the children scatter. High clouds flurry, sand crabs scurry. Hungry swimmers in a hurry. Chicken legs, deviled eggs. What a banquet, seagull begs. Waves lapping, babies napping. On the water, sails are snapping. Launch a boat, help father float. Build a castle with a moat. A freckled nose, sandy toes. Ocean's salty sea breeze blows. Time to pack picnic sack. Bright beach towels in a stack. Late afternoon, supper soon. Families march across the dune. Sun-warmed skin, contented grin. What a happy day it's been.